Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Just a quick update as we are heading into a new trading week. Not quite there yet, but nearly. Want to talk about what Bitcoin is doing here today or has been done so far. It's a three-wave move up so far from that potential B-wave low that formed on Friday. The price held our support zone. Obviously, we need a five-wave move up now. That message hasn't changed. There are two scenarios that I see, and I like the look of. I mean, I don't like so much the look of the white count anymore. Let me explain that one to you, and then we talk about a newly added scenario, something I added today, just because we needed another bullish support zone. That we can watch now that potentially some kind of a local top could have formed there. Idea is that in the white count, from that B wave low, that's the bullish count. There are two bullish counts. In the white count, a substantial low formed here at the B wave. On Friday, this is a wave 1, wave 2, and then we have an A, B. I don't like how that looks like because that B is quite extended compared to the 1, 2. And then this could be a 5-wave move up in wave C. I mean, that's what I've been watching for today. That so far has played out. That is, however, only a completion of a 3-wave move. Yeah, this can be called potentially a completed C wave now in wave 3. I now need to see a 4th wave and a 5th wave next. This is what I would need to see next as potential movements to complete a 5-wave move. Do I like that move? Do I like that pattern, that structure? Not so much, because I mean, it is okay in terms of a 3rd wave, but as I said, that initial 1-2 setup is very small compared to the AB. And I mean, that C wave is okay, looks like a 5-wave move, that's okay. But it still is only a 3-wave move up. So if we get a higher low now in wave 4 and then rally once more in wave 5, then we have a proper 5-wave move. So there's a slight change in microstructure there from the previous videos, but for those of you who follow the updates on Discord, you are very well informed about that. And ideally, if this really is now the white count, it would be a diagonal pattern. We talked about that. The 4th wave should hold above that 84,260 level, ideally. The 50% retracement. Any break below it would still allow for the orange count to play out. Don't like that so much, but absolutely valid. In that orange count, it morphed into a larger diagonal, where we have a wave 1, a wave 2. This is only the A wave, of course, of wave 3, because it's a 5-wave move. Then we get a B wave pullback, and we could get a C wave rally. That gives me 3 waves, just a larger diagonal. And then another 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, A, B, C in wave 3, 4, 5. Now, that is a very large support area. It ideally doesn't even go down that much. Technically, there are a couple of other scenarios I'm tracking here that I'm not showing. That's why I allow for a very deep pullback, but not necessarily saying this has to happen. But all the let's say the very near micro support levels I provided earlier today, they held. And now, because the 5-wave move up is complete, we have to give it a bit more space. Okay, so this would be the orange count. Now, I mean, once we get a break below 83,650, it becomes clear this was a 3-wave top, and the B wave that potentially bottomed on the 21st of Feb is likely still unfolding. So there are essentially 3 bullish scenarios, because it could be a 4-5 bullish, could be a B wave pullback bullish, could even be a large B wave that this is getting reset, also bullish, as long as we're holding this level that I communicated, ideally holds here. Now, I myself, as some of you know, I'm still long, because I entered a futures trade on Friday. Original plan was maybe not to hold it over the weekend, but the price actually performed quite well, so decided to hold it. And all I did, I took 30% of profits, and I've set the stop below the last low. So I'm still keeping the door open for higher. I leave it a lot of breathing space, however, because it's weekend. So I keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment. and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in short-term updates about Bitcoin, about other cryptos, if you want to join our large member live stream on Sundays, if you want to, get access to all the Tradingview live charts, want to see what I'm doing in the markets, then check out our memberships. The gold membership gives you access to Discord. That gives you everything. So maybe we'll see each other there. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.